Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable the password screen lock in your itel mobile phones. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your itel mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, go to security and location. Okay, in security and location, okay, go to device and security. And you can see the screen lock. So okay, you have to do is click screen lock. And now we here in screen lock options. Okay guys, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create the password screen lock. So okay, you all have to do is select the password. And okay, we set the password screen lock. So okay, enter or create a password. Okay guys, after that, click next button. And we need to re-enter your password. And after that, click confirm button. And okay guys, notification when your device is locked. How do you want notification to show? So okay guys, we have three options. Okay, the show all notification content, and the other one is hide sensitive content, and lastly the don't show notification at all. So okay guys, I select don't show notification at all, and after that guys, you all have to do is click done on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, we need to set security question, but you can skip this. Okay guys, I skip this security question. So okay guys, to skip the security question, you all have to do is click the skip button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, we have successfully create the password screen lock. So okay guys, we try it. Okay, go back. And okay. Okay guys, we have entered the password and check. Then okay guys, we have successfully create the password screen lock to your itel mobile phone. Okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.